In this video series, I'm going to be showing you how to make a skirt based on the patterns we have here in the 211 class. You will be making both a prototype version with muslin fabric and then a final version with a final fabric of your choice. So this here is an example of a completed prototype skirt. And so the color of your muslin fabric may be white or beige. It doesn't really matter which one. And you'll want to pick something that is not too thick, too heavy, but not too light. So something that's just kind of like feels like a medium thickness of fabric. So it's not like so thin like silk or something that's really see-through. But you know, it's not so thick that it feels like a pair of jeans. So it has a front and then of course a back, and we will have a zipper that is supposed to be invisible, unlike this example. And then a final version of the skirt is going to look something like this. And again, it's going to be the same, but in a final version with a final fabric of your choice. And this fabric will be medium weight, so it should not be see-through, and it should have some, like, a good weight thickness to it, but not so heavy and not so thick like jean material. Though if you really want to make a jean skirt, you can talk to me, we can think about it. So this is a good, much better example, of course, with the invisible zipper, right? So main features of this skirt includes 2 darts on the front here for fitting, as well as 2 darts on the back, an invisible zipper. We will have what's called a hook and eye at the top. So it is essentially, basically describes what it is. One is a hook and one is an eye, and it just closes the top of a garment where the zipper is not able to go any further. And then on the waistband here, you will have interfacing, and I will talk about that in class, or at this point you should have already watched it. And for those of you who are able to be in class, you're welcome to serge the edges. And the bottom is going to have a blind hem stitch, preferably by machine, but you can also do it by hand if your machine is not capable of doing that. So yes, blind hem on the bottom. So those are the features, and let's go ahead and move into the next video about preparing your pattern.